And you should be able to design this part by yourself because we have already done this. Let's go to our project here, open our IDE, and I'm not going to be making the things twice, reinvent the wheel. No, think twice, wisely, and you're gonna make your life more easy. You see that our main is so big, it's a big file, this one. We have developed this footer. What we have to do is to simply reuse this component. So I'm going to copy the here, put here, Control V, save, and see if we didn't make nothing here. Then simply copying and paste here. We have developed it. So take a moment and yes, just analyze your design. You have accomplished it. I'm so proud of you. You are becoming a developer. Trust me, you are really dedicated to what you really like, because if you are here, that's the proof. You are designing beautiful things and you are understanding how they work. Please share this course with your students, with your friends or colleagues, with anyone in your group, in your circle, even if it's not in your circle, who you know that he or she wants to learn and to program. Because here the design is going to happen when the person arrives to take the course and is going to learn a lot of stuff. I think from now you are confident to write your website using HTML and CSS with more confidence. You are going to face more challenges. You are now ready to go to the internet, find solutions, and not just being someone who's going to be copying and pasting solutions that you know how they are going to work. Above all, here I gave you the tools that you need to become a good developer in this area of HTML and CSS, a web developer for front end with just design. Now you have to design your applications by yourself. Go and see the web page that you like, clone that. Cloning is simply to redesign that interface and practice. We have to make this responsive. The unique parts that are responsive here are the menu, because we have worked on that. This part of the footer right at the bottom and nothing else.